Now I'd like to show you the fitting of the mud and sand plates. Same as with the hard standing feet kit, the kit comes with 3 plates, one for each of the tripod legs, of course. When you get to a place where the ground is obviously soft, do your best to position the chair with that in mind. Remember that the chair only needs about 60 square mil space, so moving it a couple of feet can make all the difference. Also to bear in mind that with the tripod the force of the weight is outward, so that's beneficial as opposed to straight down, because the legs are trying to splay under the weight. However, we do still get conditions where the chair will sink. So when you're in that position, a good thing to do is extend the legs in anticipation of it sinking, and then it helps that it actually doesn't sink any further than a nice seating height. When you get the chair, as I've said before, could be 2 bolts here. Discard this one. It's going to be replaced with the bolt and the thumb screw. Slide the mud plate over the leg, insert the bolt, and apply the thumb screw. Tighten, and that's it. Obviously there's a set of 3. Again, one of them's got a clip on, that's for carrying in the shotgun mode, so don't lose that. If the mud plates can stay on indefinitely, it still folds up perfectly fine. But if for some reason you don't want the extra weight, you don't need them, then naturally just disengage them, replace the bolt, and this time with the thumb screw make sure it's tight so that you don't lose it, and the chair's back in standard form. Thank you. Cheers.